Hello and welcome everyone. Thanks for joining today's DriveON information session, focused on performing motorcycle safety inspections on the DriveON equipment. My name is Janet and I'm the Integrated Project Manager at Parsons, the vendor for the DriveON program. Today's presentation is specific for DriveON vehicle inspection centers that perform motorcycle safety inspections. First, we will review some information about the transition from the MVIS program to DriveON. We will then review information on technician training and how to add technicians to your VIC. Then we will provide an overview on performing motorcycle safety inspections on the DriveON tablet software. We will end the presentation by reviewing the resources available for obtaining DriveON support. Let's start by reviewing some important information about the transition from the MVIS program to DriveON. The current MVIS program for light-duty safety and structural inspections ends on March 31st, 2025. A reminder to please complete your application right away if you have not done so. If current MVIS facilities don't have an approved DriveON application and transition to DriveON, they will no longer be able to conduct inspections when the MVIS program ends. There is an offer to receive a complimentary tablet for the first equipment package purchased. When the application has been approved, this discount for the complimentary tablet will be displayed in your cart in the equipment order step. It is strongly recommended that you complete the enrollment process right away to allow time to receive your DriveON equipment before the end of the MVIS program. If you have received your DriveON equipment, you are to no longer perform safety inspections under the paper-based MVIS program, as you have now transitioned to DriveON. All VICs are required by legislation to return all unused MVIS program certificates and stickers. If stations use MVIS stock after the end of the MVIS program, they can face charges and their enrollment into the DriveON program may be revoked or refused. Refunds are offered for unused safety standards and structural inspection certificates returned to the MTO before April 30th. Please visit ontario.ca/MVIS for further information on returning unused stock and to obtain the request for refund form. As a reminder, if you have submitted your application and have had your application returned for updates, please be sure to correct the application and resubmit for ministry approval right away. If an application is returned for correction following MTO's review, the owner will receive an email with further instructions. First, log into the DriveON portal and review the notes under the MTO Performance Contract Approval section, make all necessary corrections, and then re-sign all the contracts and agreements before resubmitting the application in Step 7. Let's review some information on DriveON technicians and assigning technicians to your VIC to be able to perform inspections on the tablets. As a reminder, only DriveON technicians will be able to log in to the inspection tablet. Technicians will not be able to perform inspections without completing the necessary DriveON training. Technicians are required to create their own account on the DriveON portal and complete the necessary training modules. Technicians' Skilled Trades Ontario membership number will be validated before they're able to begin DriveON training. For the validation to occur and proceed with training, technicians must create their account on the DriveON portal using the same first, middle, and last name as listed in the STO registry. Please review the program enrollment package for specific instructions. After a technician completes their DriveON training, they need to be assigned to a VIC by the owner or delegate to be able to log into the tablet and perform inspections. On the DriveON portal, owners and delegates can select the I want to manage technicians card to manage the technicians assigned to the VIC. Technicians can be assigned to more than one inspection center. Also, there is an option to adjust the business hours for each technician. The hours set when managing the technicians is very important. Technicians will not be able to log into the tablet and perform inspections outside of the work hours that the owner or delegate sets. If you don't update the hours, the system will automatically default the technician's work hours to be available 24/7. Please note that once a technician is added to the VIC, you will need to complete a data file synchronization, otherwise known as a DFS, on all the tablets at your VIC to have the technician information sync to the tablets. Technicians are to keep their STO membership information current in the DriveON portal. Whenever a technician's certificate of qualification is renewed with Skilled Trades Ontario, technicians are required to update their STO information on the DriveON portal. If the information in the portal expires, technicians will be unable to perform inspections on the tablet. To update your STO expiry date in the DriveON portal, select the I want to view edit my personal information card, and then click Update and add the new expiry date before saving. Once again, when the update's complete, perform a DFS on all the tablet inspections. Let's now review some of the inspection screens you will see on the tablet while performing a motorcycle or motor tricycle safety inspection. As mentioned earlier, the program regulations have not changed. The inspection software is based on the Ontario regulations to provide for consistency in safety inspections across Ontario. The main menu contains the inspection menu button, remaining battery percentage, and Wi-Fi settings button used to connect the tablet to your vehicle inspection center's Wi-Fi. The video conference icon, located on the top right of the screen, can be used from any screen to speak with someone from the DriveON assistance team during regular business hours. A help feature is available on each screen in the top right corner indicated by the question mark icon. This will provide helpful information for the current portion of the inspection. Note that the safety sticker stock quantity will remain at 0 for VICs that do not perform annual or semi-annual safety inspections issuing stickers. The inspection software will guide you through the inspection process. The screens were designed to be user-friendly, easy to follow with simple instructions. Even though no prior inspection tablet software training is required, there are training mode options for technicians to practice the inspection process on the tablet. In addition to training mode, the Help menu provides access to our YouTube channel for many helpful videos to assist the technician. Some videos that you could view are how to perform safety inspections, how to complete the initial equipment setup, how to connect the tablet to Wi-Fi, and many more. The technician can scan the QR code on the screen with their phone to bring up the YouTube channel and view all the help videos. For security purposes, when conducting inspections, the technician will be asked once a day during their first inspection to authenticate their account using a verification code. This code is sent via email and as a text message to a mobile phone, if one was added to the user's account during enrollment. The camera on the inspection tablet will allow you to take photos of the vehicle during the inspection. The camera is also used to scan barcodes, such as the VIN, and populates the required fields during the inspection. This reduces data entry errors, saves time by not having to manually type in the information. The tablet software will decode the VIN information and populate the fields based on the VIN. Although it is pre-populated, it is the technician's responsibility to ensure the accuracy of the information. The VIN can also be entered manually. If entering the VIN manually, a double entry is required to confirm VIN accuracy. After entering the VIN and selecting Continue, the system will verify the VIN. If the vehicle has failed a previous inspection within 10 days, it will prompt the technician if they would like to proceed with a re-inspection. Note that information will be preloaded for a re-inspection, but it is still the technician's responsibility to validate all entries and update as necessary. The inspection screens are user-friendly. Vehicle options are available to be modified via an easy-to-use drop-down menu. You can tap the blue circle icons with the eye for additional help for specific fields. Items with an asterisk must be filled in, even if not pre-populated. A photo is required of the instrument cluster. An odometer result entry is required. Pass, fail, or repair. A pass or repair entry will require an odometer reading value to be entered. If you check fail, it will not require a reading, but will result in an overall fail result for the inspection, with the odometer reading value missing on the inspection report. An OBD inspection is not required for motorcycle or motor tricycles. A notification will be displayed on the screen at this step. Additional vehicle information will be required to determine the mandatory measurements needed to be entered during the inspection. The mandatory measurements required are based on the vehicle being inspected. The tablet will present safety items that need to be inspected based on inspection standards and regulations, based on vehicle type. Each inspection type has components and subcomponents for each section. One thing to note here is that you do not need to perform your inspection based on the order seen in the summary page. You can perform the inspection in any order, but all sections do need to be complete prior to submitting. Items that are marked with a star indicates that measurements must be entered into the tablet. A simple checkbox is used for each safety inspection result as a pass, fail, or repaired item. If the component passes inspection, select pass. Repaired by the technician at the VIC, then select repair option. This will still provide a pass inspection result. If the component fails, select fail. This will result in a failed inspection. If the vehicle component fails or is repaired, a submenu list of inspection items specific to that component will appear. You can add comments and photos for each item. If an item is not applicable, you can leave that field blank. The software allows you to save and exit an inspection and allows you to continue from the last saved checkpoint. You can use this helpful feature when you're waiting on parts to arrive, for example. The save and exit feature will only save the inspection record for 30 days from the date the inspection started. When an inspection is saved, another technician can use the same tablet to begin or continue with a different inspection. Multiple inspections can be saved in progress at the same time. For security purposes, the inspection tablets do time out if they're unattended or not used for 15 minutes. If you're not using the tablet for an extended time during your inspection, it is recommended to use the save and exit feature so that your inspection data is not lost. Some inspection items are required to be measured and recorded, as prescribed by the safety standards. For example, the tire tread depth measurement will prompt you to record measurements and take photos with a measurement tool. There is a notes button available for technicians to enter the notes about the items being inspected. Notes are an optional feature. Once the inspection is complete, an inspection summary screen is displayed for technicians' review. The technician will sign off on the inspection using their finger on the tablet. The safety inspection report contains all the information about the vehicle and the safety inspection that was performed. The report can be viewed on the tablet. The safety inspection report can be emailed to the customer directly from the tablet. And a copy is sent to the Vehicle Inspection Center owner and delegates for their records. An electronic copy is automatically uploaded and available on the public website. A copy of the inspection certificate is available on the public website. Along with the inspection report, the inspection certificate can also be emailed to the customer. And a copy of the inspection certificate is also emailed automatically to the VIC owner and delegate. Let's now review some of the ways that you can access DriveON support and assistance. There are multiple ways to access DriveON help and support. Help information is available in the help menus on the DriveON portal. The program SOP, as well as the directives, are available on the DriveON review. All vehicle inspection centers have access to the VIC assistance line. If you email us, please ensure to provide your VIC name and VIC ID number in the email so we can better assist you. A help feature is available for technicians on the inspection tablet on each screen, indicated by the question mark icon. This will provide helpful information for the current portion of the inspection they're on. Technicians can also use the video conference button on the inspection tablet screen to communicate with one of our support staff when assistance is required during an inspection. The inspection standards and directives are also available on the inspection tablets. And you can also visit our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel provides many help videos for topics such as DriveON portal enrollment, equipment ordering, receiving equipment and setup, how to perform inspections on the DriveON equipment, as well as recordings of past information sessions we've held. If you have a smartphone with you now, you can use it to scan the QR code on the screen to access the channel. To do this, open the camera app, hover your phone over the QR code on the screen until you see the yellow outline appear around the image, and then click on the image of the screen of your phone. It will take you to our YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can go to youtube.com and search for our channel by typing in DriveON help videos. When you're on the channel, select the videos tab to view all the available videos. You can subscribe to the channel and also bookmark the site for future use. This concludes today's information session, and again, we thank you for your time and for your ongoing support and participation in the DriveON program. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.